In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Trello. By the end, you'll have a fresh workspace ready for your projects, along with a clear understanding of the key choices you'll make as you set it up. Start by heading to Trello.com and signing into your account. Trello runs on Atlassian accounts, so if you're already logged into any Atlassian product, you'll be taken right in. Once you're on the Trello home screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with account options and workspace actions. From that menu, choose Create Workspace. This is where the foundation of your workspace comes together. You'll begin by entering a workspace name. Pick something clear and recognizable. Think of the team, department, or project this workspace will represent. A concise, descriptive name helps everyone find it quickly and avoids confusion later. Next, select a workspace type. This choice doesn't lock you into specific features, but it helps Trello tailor recommendations and templates. Choose the category that best matches your use case, whether it's business, education, nonprofit, personal, or something else. If you're unsure, go with the closest fit. You can always adjust your approach as you build boards. Add a brief description to explain the purpose of the workspace. Aim for a sentence or two that tells teammates what belongs here and how it will be used. Clear context at this stage reduces onboarding questions and keeps your boards organized as the workspace grows. When everything looks good, click Continue. Trello will now offer to help you invite your team. You can add people by entering their email addresses or, in some cases, by sharing an invite link provided by Trello. Think about who actually needs access right away, perhaps the core project group or department leads. You can always invite more members later as the work expands. For this walkthrough, select I'll do it later to finish creating the workspace without sending invitations right now. This lets you set up initial boards, labels, and basic structure before bringing everyone in. That's it, your new workspace is created. From here, you can start adding boards, set permissions, and customize the layout to match your workflow. Remember, a thoughtful name and description pay off, the workspace type guides, helpful suggestions, and inviting your team can happen whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your work with your brand new Trello workspace.